Vybz Kartel for him come from prison, dog. The song them where Vybz Kartel sing right now, dog. Them not have no substance in it.
What you like, so man?
Bro, which song are one good song so far? Me hear the man sing. And God is the greatest. Look on Idonia energy, look on Bounty Killer energy. All of them in them league. Vybz Kartel have the same energy, bro.
And I don't go on like, I don't know, say the man sick, the man have grave disease.
Yeah, that's why I need for retire.
No, man, no need for retire, but you don't sound bad mind.
Nah, give man on a bad mind.
You don't sound bad mind, bro.
If you cannot give the people them what them want.
So why the people them are pay to go then?
And that's why they get disappointed.
What kind of disappointment? Me never hear nobody say they're disappointed
yet. They not come talk yet.
I never seen it yet.
Vybz Kartel ability now and in performance, dog. A shit.
Yeah, everyone give me some space. Okay. Don't fall out, we fall into place. Every step walking with grace, amen. Keeping my foot off the brakes. Right. Impact, I'm ready to brace. Okay. We fall down and land on our face. Yeah. Just to get up and finally escape. Wait, boom, boom. Baby, I'm trying to get paid. Yeah. Legends don't die in the grave. Right. They live through the story they made, okay? Boom, boom. Baby, I'm trying to get paid. Yeah. Legends don't die in the grave.
Yo. So you're the part.
Yeah, dude.
They are married. You're not putting the vendetta mask.
No, we're not putting it.
Yo, big up all viewers, all subscribers. Big up on yourself. Welcome back to another episode of Rap and Chat with Checks Dan.
Nice, you see me?
Yeah, man. Dog, put the humph in that thing now.
Yo,
man, yeah, man. Put the humph in that thing, dog.
Yo, me there, people. Where go on?
Yeah, bro. Bounty Killer. We could talk about Bounty Killer show last night.
Before we go any further. Yo, people, big up on yourself. But yo, want to know, please, give it a like and a subscribe, man. You see me? Help support the channel. They help boost it. See? After 15 years,
man,
grown Godzilla.
Man, touch back America, bro, and the man obliterate it. I saw you go?
Obliterate?
Yeah. Sometimes the tongue twist up, I don't know, watch that. You see me? I know what word mean.
Soul out show.
Bro.
One soul out the arena.
Soul out. You see me?
I know I didn't feel like it, did I go sell it out, though?
Bro, I'm going to tell you something. You see, when me tell you these things, you don't understand. You see the difference between Bounty Killer, Beanie Man, Vybz Kartel, Movado. Bro, you see, Bounty Killer and Vybz Kartel, them two man, they are always a lead the pack. Always.
But Movado to that.
You have to be honest. Movado hot, but Movado is not that hot, bro.
Alright.
Look, Movado live in the US for years, bro.
Yeah. Recently, I hear Movado did a drop now. A hit through, you know what I say? But we cannot deny the fact, say, yo, the man have a list, the man have a category,
man have a catalog, man have a catalog of hot songs,
of
bad
course.
songs.
And if you notice on the Bounty Killer show,
yeah,
Movado turn up the place, dog.
Well, I wouldn't say turn up the place.
In
take a piece side, but you see, let me tell you who turn up his show. Bounty Killer himself turn up his show. Him and Richie Stevens. Dexter Daps turn up his show.
Me agree with you, but me still,
no man, listen.
With you, but Movado, dog, if you watch it again, Trex, you see me, I tell us that the crowd respond to everyone on Movado sang them when he sing back in the days.
Yes, they respond to his song them. Listen up.
Dog,
you see forward. Listen up, bro.
You see performance listen was up. Off.
Listen,
hook, bro.
Listen up. Alright, watch this. You see the forward them where Bounty Killer get, where Dexter Daps get. Even the artist in here, man. Bad artist, man. We are on the place now, brother. You know how me attack, man.
You know
how we attack, man. Bad artist, man.
I don't know who you attack, bro.
Clown, we can't remember my name. Dark Stop Still White, no lock off his store.
Massacre. What Massacre performance never so hot, bro.
You see when you perform, you have to look back for the feedback where you get, bro.
From the crowd.
You see me?
From the crowd.
You see when, listen up, Massacre come out calm and deadly, you know, bro.
But the entrance song when use, I never too rate that song. The man have whole heap more song when could I use as
You not rate about what people them say.
The feedback never as big as how did I expect it.
Listen, bro.
Remember, I rate Massacre, you know that. But now I say, Massacre one of my favorite artists, you know. But me I say, him entrance song could have been one of him other bigger songs.
I go agree to disagree. But watch this.
All right.
Bounty Killer did an amazing job. Bounty Killer come and show them, say, yo, you know, if he come with the whole heap of chop and the whole heap of, you know what I mean? When the man start his show, bro, run come back in on me magnum, boy. Stand up in front me, shot. People of all walks of life, bro.
But you see,
I sing his song them.
All right. And these are the things we want to talk about. Because I realize something throughout the entire show.
Yeah.
You see me? You see, Mavado and Bounty Killer especially.
Yeah.
90% of the song them with them sing are the song them from way back when.
Back in the idea.
Everybody respond to the song them.
That's true.
So you see, said those music come like it can't dead.
Longevity, man.
Longevity, and that's what me appreciate with the dancehall from back then, bro.
And you know what I love with Bounty Killer? I care zero when nobody wants to say. You see how Bounty Killer knows him I work with a certain time frame and him still bring out the artists them to perform.
Yeah, bro. 'Cause everybody
within the
full performance.
Within the time frame?
Within the time frame.
Alright, so that may I show you say. You see when people are talking about Beenie Man, Ray Ray and Beenie Man. Listen, Beenie Man couldn't call out Shane from early.
Long before.
And Beenie Man could have other artists on the show just like Shane and them share the stage, bro. Beenie Man is a Mike Shark and Bounty Killer.
Because
you are general.
And you know, at one point, dog, me I feel like I know Bounty Killer show. Because we are all the artists that run the show, bro. I say, yo, you come like on a Bounty Killer show.
So I'm show you.
So him allow them to perform and them do them full performance.
And which other artists you say do that?
But now I say Vybz Kartel not do it.
No. You can't say that. You can't say that. Me have ask you again. Which other artists you see do it like Bounty Killer?
Alright. Let's see Vybz Kartel do it.
Alright.
So me agree. Yeah, me see Vybz Kartel do it. But we not talk about Vybz Kartel. We still talk about Fib Show.
Yeah, man, we still talk about Fib Show, man. Me love when Bounty Killer say, yo, big up all real Bounty fans. You see the one them in the black original Bounty fans, them I say, yo, the man does have a passion, dog, for the craft, you know what I mean? And in continue for all the image, the same image when come out with, bro, and continue for all the image throughout the time where him there in the business, you see me?
Yeah,
it's like him and no switch, bro.
Even though dancehall evolve and change and a whole heap of artists get forgotten. Bounty Killer, Beenie Man, Mavado.
Yeah, man.
But especially
Vybz Kartel.
Vybz Kartel.
Yeah, going like
all of
them, man name.
All of them, bro. Even though as we
man.
said the dancehall switch up on the genre and everything, them have the different beats, the man is still tall, the man is still relevant up to the beat.
Giant them, man.
Dancehall look
Bounty Killer
internationally.
Show tough. The show was amazing. And yo, we can't stop talking about it until me tell us, say, yo, the stadium was packed to capacity.
It packed, bro.
Packed, bro.
As me tell you, honestly, me name
Bounty Killer. You did it.
Yo, Grungzilla.
You did it. Grung Godzilla.
Yeah, man.
You see me? Warlord. Ghetto people, governor.
Yeah.
Yo, you did it, general. Big up yourself. Big up Bounty Killer. You get me, I say?
That for sure, you said dancehall represent from a small island to a huge scale like this, bro.
Dancehall can't stall forever. Dancehall can't stall. You know the song there?
Have Vybz Kartel sing that?
All right.
Who's Vybz Kartel? come like Alkaline.
Hey!
Come like Alkaline interview when my man Cliff Hughes say, you know the vibes and whatever. Alkaline say, isn't he locked up?
Idiot that man. Alkaline interview.
No,
we are going to talk about that next. You see when we come back, Alkaline we are going to talk about. Yeah, are the vendetta boss or the vendetta.
man.
No, you
You're
are the
just a vendetta fan.
No, you are the vendetta sheep.
The vendetta fan. Just say
People,
fan.
this is the vendetta sheep. Okay?
Yeah,
so
that's the vendetta fan.
so we want to hear where the vendetta sheep officer. What you think about the vendetta
Performance.
the Alkaline interview?
Oh, the interview.
Yeah, we are gonna move on the interview going to the show. That we are do.
All right. The interview could have been better. It was, to me kind of get the same energy when did do the interview in England.
What you mean childish?
Like, not really childish, but I'm personality
What
there.
you mean uneducated?
No.
So what you mean then?
Him very laid back and him humble.
No,
you
being laid back. Me have to ask you one question. You being laid back means say you can't do an interview and be
articulate.
No, another word them here look for, man. Me soon find the word for you. Cause me want to draw the word up for you.
But yo, overall.
But the man level of intelligence.
Oh, okay.
Man level of intelligence when he do interview, bro, is there is no level of intelligence there, to be honest.
Me and tell you say in personality
Personality
different from
not
everybody else.
No, but personality
Isn't
not
it?
have nothing to do with intelligence, bro.
Him have intelligence, because if you really him first interview them back in the days, him sound more intellect.
Yeah, man.
You know what I'm saying?
Mad.
That's why I said that, my youth. But now, it's like him grown and him up on a different path.
Mad.
You see me?
So when you're
So
grown,
yeah, so that's
so when a person is grown, they're not supposed to be more mature, they're not supposed to be more outspoken.
Yeah, but
Them
him
supposed-
change. Him change.
So you're supposed to change for better, you're not supposed to change for sound like you done, sir.
No, what happened?
Right now,
what happened?
right
Well,
now,
I know-
him.
Well, I know what happened. I feel like him get more reserved.
Reserve
You see
to
me?
answer
Yes.
question.
Because you see, Alkaline from day one, dog, is a very reserved individual. He's a more kind of, when you have
Introvert.
introvert bombard, you get it. Exactly. So he's more of an introvert type of person.
No, bro.
Alkaline
that
is
not
more
it.
kind of an introvert person.
That not it. You want me to explain something to you
No,
now?
that's it, man. That's it.
Mad.
Back to the interview.
Yeah,
See?
man.
You go tell me. But me like how Cliff used try to dig out some hidden
Cliff
things
used
about him.
Cliff used
Where-
every question where that the man they ask Alkaline are things where people know already.
But him never
Where
that's open.
ask,
Him never that
what
open,
did
bro.
he ask Alkaline where nobody know already?
Like where him come from, how him grew up, and them something.
All of
there,
them
isn't
question,
it?
their question when do on stage already, bro.
Him never saw, that man say him never say vocal about it.
He did more vocal then.
Me I tell you say man kind of enclose, bro. You know, see
Enclose.
that?
Him
Yes.
is a big old dummy.
Yo, you know
All
what?
right, new rules. How when it take place? Last night or yesterday? I think yesterday. New rules. What do you think about that show there?
In performance, low energy.
Low energy.
Yeah. Him did do better when in the performer Florida.
All right. In energy low people, that's how we vendetta sheep say.
Yeah, but
See?
me not gonna lie.
All
As
right.
brother,
What
it's
you
not
think?
a sheep.
What you think
it's a
about?
fan.
What you think about the people them where him have on the show? What you think about Armani performance?
I'm on the performance.
Yeah.
Honestly, me not will listen to that brother there still, But me hear my diss up Valiant. You know what I say? I don't even know. Me know one or few of the song when me hear it, but it's not a brother when me follow.
To me, Armani not even boss big yet.
Exactly. So me not really.
So
me not really
who
have-
is him for this Valiant? We not even can say it don't make no sense because it make a lot of sense when you think about it. You're gonna get it when we tell you. Dancehall, I go back to what it was before. Just like back in the days, you used to have Vybz Kartel and Mavado. You used to have Bounty Killer and Beanie Man. You used to have, when they used to have like a feud. But hope the feud where Valiant and Armani are gonna have are the feud where he might try to create. I hope it is just lyrical and spill over in a physical realm where people are gonna get hurt and them things there. Because right now we don't need that.
No.
But we need the excitement in a dancer.
Yeah, that's
You
the
see me I
truth.
say?
And that is what missing still since Vybz Kartel and Mavada, as I said, Beanie Man and Bounty Killer. that type of energy missing out of dancehall. Nowadays, generation is different, you know. Different. So then we have it lyrical,
Different.
but also it is physical, and you know everything a weapon nowadays.
And that we are trying to run from. I never tell no lie. I never like the fact say him say Valiant figure suck his mother.
Yeah, but at the same time, remember, Popcorn did this scatter, big and bold.
First suck your mother for a year.
First suck your mother.
So it look like he suck your mother then just a dash out this year.
Right. So if those bigger people in the music do it and then these brother come and do it, you see, no example no set and the man just run with the same problem.
That true.
Yes,
but yo, Alkaline show, it was sold out. You see me? The Vendetta sheep, them did happy. The Vendetta sheep came out in full effect.
Bro, why you keep on putting sheep at the end of it, bro?
Remember when you used to say me a Gaza sheep?
That is your thing. That is Gaza thing. The sheep. There's no sheep attachment to the Vendetta nation. You see me? So do not put it on it.
So the Vendetta sheep, them come out in a full effect and me love that. Like people them in Jamaica, them represent. And I love to see that. You see me I say?
Yes.
Alkaline is out now because you don't know, back in the day, like 10 years ago, 8 years ago, 5 years ago, Alkaline did now one old, but you don't know since
Vybz Kartel.
Man crawl out and you know, it a work people.
Yeah.
You see me?
But
I think that was a good move for the Vendetta boss to crawl out at this particular moment because guess what? You have something to talk about. Everybody have something to talk about. If I was Alkaline, I would have done the same thing.
But you have to remember, you know, everybody have them fan and them fan base. You see me? And Alkaline fan base, I go represent him just like how Kartel fan base, I go represent him. So now that you see that Alkaline have a huge, humongous, you see me, I say followers. Look on the stadium.
Sheep nation.
Bro,
watch
stop saying me a sheep. John, you hold on, man. I want to the youth, man.
So yeah, say bro.
Now that you see that the man have a huge fan base, just like Vybz Kartel, because the stadium, if you're looking at it, that shit was full to the brim.
Yeah, it did full.
The only thing is that in performance could have be a little bit more high energy in my eyes.
It's shaky.
Him go on good seeing way.
In performing about it shaky. You know, the energy not did like him never in a mood. You know what I mean?
Yo, Vendetta boss, big up yourself, same
But me want to say something. Alkaline learn a lot from the teacher. When me say learn a lot, Alkaline never did that in an interview. Alkaline never did that in no Oliver show. Alkaline was just off the grid. You see now Kartel forward back. Kartel teach Alkaline how to create, to be a controversial artist. It a work for him.
So you feel like he might be controversial right now?
He is being controversial. Even in the interview, Alkaline knows say if him come and he say, mad. Yeah man. Mad thing. People are going to say, yo, I Chris and people.
Okay. So you say about intentionally do it.
Intentionally I do the things them when he knows I keep people attack.
Okay.
And he learned that from Adija, the teacher.
Why not learn it from just the game?
No. I remember say back in the days, you know, Alkaline did a study Kartel. You know.
Based on what you say.
No, what me say, I can find an interview and show you.
When him just come around with the bleaching and the whole tattoo and everything, to me, it like him did emulate him. Somebody are gonna say no.
So you know.
But then him build a style for himself, him build a movement, the Vendetta movement.
No, but anybody we think them a leader go create them own.
Yeah, but that's what I say. We have to appreciate that.
No,
Because him did come and him fit in at the game, and then he also bring theme fans them to a different level, just like how Vybz Kartel do it.
Let me say something. Don't think seminary at Alkaline, you know.
No, but you need to say it.
No, but me say it already.
When?
Me I go look back for the video where we have where me tell you say, when I sang where Alkaline sing where he sang where say chicken. You remember me tell you that song there?
Okay. You rate the song, but you say you rate Alkaline.
No, listen.
Bro, if you really look on the videos, then what we do,
me no rate Alkaline.
Really didn't say, yo, you no rate Alkaline.
Me no rate him.
So nobody come go
me no rate his style.
You're right.
Me no rate his style, but him contribute a lot to dancehall, and me have to respect that.
Of course, man do.
You know, me always speak. Me always say where upon my art.
Of course.
You see me?
Yeah,
but yeah, man.
Go on
Boy,
do
yo.
the thing and new rules, yeah, man.
What you think about Kartel show in Germany?
So I know that. You know how long more you touch it. You know how long more you say something because you don't know, you know.
Hey.
You drink some water first.
Drink some water. What you think about Kartel show? And not even really Kartel show.
Yo, at one point, the camera flashing at the crowd and the people them are cover their ears. It's either Vybz Kartel half track or Vybz Kartel tone of voice that just sound fucking annoying. It's true.
No, people, me go ask. No, 1 second.
Why you scrutinize the
Listen up.
video? I'm going to show it.
Why you?
I want the people them print
What?
and tell me if I lie me and tell.
But 1 second, me go say something. Why would you spend your hard working money to go and cover up your ears? You know, think you're probably then they're too close to his speaker box them.
No,
Listen
no,
what me say
no,
now.
it's
You know,
not
think
that.
then they're too close to his speaker box them, and at that particular time, something probably did happen and then did have to cover their ears. Why you think, say, the teacher voice was annoying?
All right, so I like how you try to defend him, you know, because
No, me have to defend the teacher.
at the same time, on more than one occasion,
Yeah.
then if you listen to even Kartel tone of voice, dog, the man not no performance, dog. The man voice sound like he need retune. Dog, the man look a time for him retire, dog.
And that
Big
we
man
don't
thing.
know, you know.
I feel like if you just go sit down, you know.
And
'cause
that we don't know.
dog,
Can
let me
watch
be
this now.
honest.
Watch this now.
Let me be honest first.
I'll be honest.
Let me be honest
Be
first.
honest.
Zin? Because I know say, yo, the Gaza nation are going to come for me, but me I talk the truth.
Be honest, man.
You see me? Vybz Kartel ability now and in performance, dog, a shit compared to when you usually do.
And you
back
hear
in
that,
the days.
people?
So Vybz Kartel right now, dog, me think a time for him retire.
Yeah, man.
You see me?
Yeah,
Retire, bro.
Yeah.
In Germany, your
You're
performance.
vendetta sheep. You're a vendetta sheep. Watch this now, no? Tell me this. Kartel sell out the Barclays 2 nights in a row. Wait, you know, me just show you something. Kartel sell out Miami. Kartel sell out... You come to Baltimore yet?
No, come about it.
Alright, soon come to Baltimore and them the tickets sell out already.
All right, so I'm sell out.
Relax now.
almost all them
Relax now. So if a man neither do not know where up to par and a work, why would the shows them sell out? If him did sound so awful, if he couldn't perform, why people
Bro,
still a show up?
did you see-
sorry for him, made them a show up?
Dog, him already have a fan base.
That be nice, man.
Him fan base is
I want
already
to-
there, so we can't deny
hey,
that.
I want to
Listen to what me say, Tricks. Him already have a fan base, so we cannot deny that. So once you support him, you have to continue supporting.
No,
but
bro.
we can
No,
see
bro.
it. Even when him did perform with Spice in a Brooklyn
Eh.
or Atlanta.
No, tell me what you tell me, man.
You know, see, oh, the man, dog, come like, the man just attack lyrics and dog, like him and run out of breath.
No go so, bro. No
Bro,
go so.
you never
You're
see
being
it.
biased,
the
man.
The man come like him attack.
You're
At
being
one point,
biased.
dog, at one point the man just start
Gaza
lyrics.
fans, on a run out.
Dog, why you keep on?
On a run
Dog,
out.
what make me talk now, dog?
I mean, I know what
Every
was-
time me choose to talk about Vybz Kartel, you talk over. Brother,
I don't
listen.
know what the syrupy.
No, man. No, bro. Every time, because you don't know, me have to talk it true, dog. When it comes to Vybz Kartel, when I glorify the man like him as some God, and him same tune them, you know. Because as me tell you, overall with dancehall, with all of them, Movado, Vybz Kartel, Idonia, Bounty Killer, all of them are do back the songs them from back in the days. Because most of them new songs will come out fuckery. You know what I mean? I say them now run the place. Vybz Kartel for him come from prison, dog. The song them where Vybz Kartel sing right now, dog. Them not have no substance in it.
What you like, so man?
Bro, which song? A one good song so far. Me
And
hear
a
the
what?
man
And a what?
sing.
And a which one?
And God is the greatest.
One
Apart from that.
One to the comet is coming. The
after
comet number.
that. No, that not no energy.
What a
dog.
man, wicked man.
That not have nothing, dog. That not no substance.
You're a real vendetta, you know?
Vendetta. Dog, may I tell you the truth?
Yo.
The man, me go back to him show Germany. He start out good, but he can't
Yeah,
keep
man,
up.
man.
He cannot keep up,
Bro,
bro. The
man, I know him, man.
old.
Oh, I know him,
Man
man.
need to retire,
I know him,
bro.
man. Bounty killer,
Look how
all
the
man.
father
Bounty
perform
killer.
on Bounty Killer show. Look how the man
Oh, no,
energy up.
that we don't know.
Look on Idonia energy. Look on Bounty Killer energy. All of them in them league. Vybz Kartel now have the same energy, bro.
And no go on like, no know, say the man sick. The man have grave disease.
Yeah,
but the man
that's
still.
why I need for
No,
retire.
man, no need for retire. But you no sound bad mind.
Dog, you man on a bad
You no
mind. dog.
sound bad mind,
If
bro.
you cannot give the people them what them want,
So why the people them a pay to go then?
and that's why they get disappointed.
What kind of
sometimes.
disappointment? Me never hear nobody say they disappointed
They
yet.
not come talk yet.
Me never hear, I never seen it yet. I have never seen it. You see it?
What you mean?
You don't see it, because you say they don't say it yet. My youth, you have to give man him props, bro. You
No,
have
but
to
me
give
give
man
him
him
props.
You not give
Me
him
give
props,
him props
bro.
when it come to.
Just like
No,
how me can
me
say
give
oh,
Vybz Kartel
vendetta,
him
whatever,
props.
whatever, bro. You have to give man him props, bro.
But
You're too
dog, me
biased.
do that already,
You're
dog.
too biased,
Me
man.
do that already. But if we're going to be fair and judge him based on his performance and him shows them, that's what we are talking about.
Yeah.
We now say Kartel don't have a long catalogue of music.
All right, so you say
where
he man not
him
perform
fan
good?
base-
He man
well,
not
I know
perform good?
Where in fan base them, I go show up because as me say, bro, all the Kartel song them are him do it's back then. And all of them still stand now. And that is what the people are following. But Kartel is not putting out, don't say nothing. Kartel is not putting out that energy, that performance where the crowd are going to reciprocate and feel like, oh yes, and jump and dog.
Bro, let me tell you this.
Noticing that crowd.
Every show we
Him start out
every
good.
show,
Him start
every
out good,
show,
but then he start
you're not
dwindling
giving-
down.
You're not giving no time
All
for
right, go on,
talk.
talk,
You're
go on,
not
talk.
allowed me to talk.
Go on, talk.
Every show where Kartel go on, the people enjoy themselves. Every single show where me see Kartel perform. As much as how you want to say, a man a lose breath and a man a this and a man a that, let me tell you this, bro. Kartel a do enough of them man never could have do. They couldn't do it. You see, before Kartel come from prison, bro, and come back in a dancehall, how much of them blood clot artists you see a sell out stadium? How much of them?
Dog,
How much of them?
Whole heap of them.
None of them, bro.
What do you mean by?
A Kartel come create this. Kartel come
No.
make. Kartel,
See, them-
you see now, let me talk.
All right, go on, talk. Go on, talk.
Kartel come and Kartel sell out the Barclays 2 nights in a row. See? And you see from Kartel do that. Kartel, look on these people.
So we can't talk now?
No. Look on these people. If a man need a perform and a man need to give people them what they want, oh, the rest the man a charge so much and I get when him a charge. Oh,
Me can answer that?
yeah, answer that.
I'm going to say it from day one, bro. The people them not see Kartel over 13 years. So you must expect Kartel is going to be hot. Because the people them never seen for over 13 years. See? So that is why Kartel can come back right now and overcharge and the people them overcharge the people them. And me not say him not have the pulling power.
Bro.
Brother, listen, you know. Cause me not, you say me not give him credit, you know. But me say me not tell you say Kartel do not have the pulling power and he can't charge where him I go charge. But the reason why them are follow him is because Kartel been missing from the dancehall scene for over 13 years.
I remember say it now. Me like how you talking now, but
What you mean?
you can't. You see, facts say you have man out there with free for years. Never do this. A Kartel make every man a keep big show now.
All right, let me
A
highlight that.
Vybz Kartel make every man a keep big show right now.
But
And if you say the people ain't want to see Kartel up on internet.
you
Kartel
say-
up on
hold on,
internet every
hold on,
day
hold
where
on,
people
hold
can
on,
see
Hold
it.
on. You say a Kartel make the man them a keep show.
So you know.
But how Bounty Killer could have keep show if Bounty Killer never have visa?
Wait
How
there.
Beanie Man could have keep show if Beanie Man never have visa?
Wait there.
You,
Wait there.
hold on, you understand
Wait
that?
there, now, we
So
can-
now
let me answer that.
it's so coincidental
Let me answer.
that them get them visa during the time when Kartel return. So now them are going to show, say, yo, we can do it just the same. So if Kartel wasn't here and them did get them visa, them could have do it just the same, bro.
Let me explain something to you. Kartel inspire all of these artists. Me no business where you want to say. Vybz Kartel are the Michael Jackson for dancehall.
Bro.
Learn that.
I mean, nah, say you're wrong, you know, dog. But there are some things where you have to admit that Kartel right now, dog. One, admit, said the man, every one of the songs them what the man come out with after prison, the new songs, them not have the same energy as the ones before.
Lies. All I man they sang millions when they drop in a 1 week a millions per them a stream.
Millions, dog. That's still not that.
Millions
where? Compared to him other songs then.
Take up your phone.
Yeah, but
take up your phone. Watch this stuff.
So why is it that he don't perform them the song that when he do perform the songs? Brother, nobody now sing them. Because nobody don't know them.
Where your chat say?
The only good one is God is the greatest. That's it.
Yo, listen up, people. You see, give unto Caesar what is due to Caesar. You see, if Kartel never come from prison and do, a lot of these artists did not know they had the capabilities of keeping shows like this.
I feel like I shadow them.
Me not shadow them, bro.
Yeah, bro.
And let me show you something.
Because Kartel not the only man who sell out stadium.
I know Kartel like only man.
Don't be biased, man.
So watch this now. Me show you. Me not gonna be biased, but me gonna show you something. Me live in America for a good while now. Me see Vybz before Kartel got prison. Kartel keep on show at Jamaica. And you see when he keep a show at Jamaica, he live stream in America. And the amount of people we got a show there. Which other artists you see do something like that? What is now?
No, you asked me the question. Well, I know. Since you asked me the question, what you may go fuck you? You remember during COVID? Just say you remember COVID.
Yeah, I remember COVID. Man.
You remember the biggest live stream ever in a COVID was what? Bounty Killer and Beanie Man. Bounty Killer and Beanie Man have the biggest live stream ever. You don't remember that?
Yeah, go look up here.
What you mean by, bro? When Beanie Man and Bounty Killer perform over live. No, nobody said nothing yet. Hold on. When you run go talk. Listen, because you asked me a question.
Yeah,
I'm going to show you, say, Vybz Kartel is not the only one. When you are telling me, say, Bounty Killer and Beanie Man did that during COVID.
Alright, me can I say something now?
Go ahead.
People, tell me if this makes sense. Listen, him say Bounty Killer and Beanie Man did it in COVID. You have to remember, say, during COVID, people were bored. People had nowhere to go. People had no feeling of excitement. So guess what? People are going to tune in. Regardless.
Which other artists?
Hey, 1 second. Regardless. You have to remember, say nobody need to go nowhere in a COVID.
Alright.
So if Beanie Man and Bounty Killer go have a show, guess what it going to do? It go ram stream-wise.
Now I'm going to give Kartel the props. He was on top before Kartel got prison. And we can agree on that. You understand what I'm saying? So when Kartel go to prison, other artists was out here doing it.
Doing big. What? Doing what?
What happened now?
What were they doing?
Well, on, man, let me talk. What happened now is that Kartel did come back from prison and highlight dancehall because everything I got focused on Vybz Kartel because he was locked up. No, the fact that Vybz Kartel was locked up, bro. When him come out, of course everybody going to get excited. Please just shut your mouth. Of course everybody going to get excited because as me say, Kartel did have a fan base. So him fans, them are going to wait for him. The sheep and the Gaza nation, them are going to wait for him. You understand what I'm saying? So when him do come out, the people them still, bro, are going to support it. Now the reason why dancehall get so much highlight, yes, we can say Kartel is one of the reason because he's fresh from prison. People don't see him for over 13 years. So therefore, when Kartel keep him show, other artists now are going to use that opportunity. If we say, all right, since dancehall get highlighted again, not that it wasn't in, it was going with the thing, you know. But now that it's highlighted because Vybz Kartel and the whole prison thing and everybody are going to get look at the spotlight, bro.
People on the hear him a while ago.
John, who you?
Watch
Yo,
it out.
people, you know say because we will continue to talk about this. Brother, you're a shepherd and you're the sheep.
People,
Yo.
listen, let me tell you
What
this.
could you hear, must say?
See, the end of the day, you can't take something from a man where you say if a man deserves something, you don't have to give me credit. Watch this, 2 men me see come from prison and create history. Bojo, Vybz Kartel. And Vybz Kartel did it even bigger than Bojo Bantan. So, when you hear the vendetta sheep them attack, you can't pay them no mind. You get me? I say, but you don't know a thing go. I just love and unity. You see me? I say, no did they for frowns both.
Big up
You
yourself,
see me?
serious.
But a Gaza dog, if you don't know, say yo.
Yeah. I'll never say
Cheers
that.
to success, I know, say yo. Bro, you see anything we work for that you get and Cartel work for it.
People big up on yourself, you know. You see me? Enough respect for the support. And yo, give the video a thumbs up.